Now imagine you're just waking up and begin to see planes colliding. This is blue, white, red marker. How are you going to wake up and go to the airport? How do you get in and the air hostess says, yes, right now, in case of emergency, you're like, what if this is the one? And normally God will just show you some colors. There'll be color like this, there'll be color like this, there'll be color like this. And you wonder what is happening. This is blue, white, red marker. Don't panic when you're in there. We have already finished it. We finished with it in the this morning. Don't panic. I said, don't what? Don't panic. Blue, white, red. There is something that has already been done to prevent it. These are prophecies for this year.
Let's get you more details on a story that was reported just a little while earlier where two passenger jets collided at the Japanese airport. Reports suggest a Korean Airlines plane clipped a Cathay Pacific Airways aircraft, and the collision took place when the airplane was preparing for takeoff. The good news is that there have been no casualties, no injuries so far.
Powered by the Holy Spirit, Uebert Angel. More up to date than tomorrow's newspaper.